Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do this makeup look right here. I was really inspired by Madhuri Dixit makeup look which I saw on Instagram, and I thought that this would be perfect for a Rakhi evening makeup look, and it would look absolutely stunning if you can just pair it with jhumkas and a traditional sari. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep watching. So I'm taking my primer and applying it on my T-zone and my cheeks and blending it in. Next, I'm taking this MAC Studio Fix foundation and applying it all over my face. This one has a full coverage, and I'm blending it with a beauty sponge. Next, I'm taking this concealer under my eyes, and the salmon shade in it really helps to cancel out my dark circles. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and applying it under my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and chin, and highlighting those areas and then blending it out. And whatever is left on the sponge, I'm just applying it on top of my eyelids. Next, I'm taking my Body Shop loose powder and I am applying it under my eyes and blending it with a sponge until the powder melts into my skin and looks seamless. This gives an airbrush finish. And also, I'm setting my entire face with this powder. Next, moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm going to fill in my brows with this. Moving on to my eyes now, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette and applying this brown shade in the crease of my eyes with my blending brush and blending it really nicely. Next, taking this beautiful peachy pink shimmery shade, I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids, not going above my crease line. Now, taking my blending brush with no product on it, I'm just going to blend it so that there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take these two dark brown shades and apply it in the outer corner of my eyes to give more depth to the outer corners. Next, I'm going over the shimmery shade one more time. Next, I'm going to take this golden shade and put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Now, taking this beautiful pink shade, because I wanted a little bit of pink on my eyelids too, I'm applying this matte shade on top of my eyelids with my fingers, and also taking the same shade on my bottom lash line. Next, I'm taking this dark brown shade and also applying it on my bottom lash line and then blending everything with my blending brush. Next, going in with the same peach pink shimmery shade once again. I'm just going to add the slightest amount with my fingers. Next, I'm taking this matte banana shade on top of my brow bone. With a black kajal, I'm lining my upper lash line really close to my lashes and now smudging it with a brush. And yep, I poked my eyes and it hurts. So smudging that kajal really well, just so that there's no harsh line and just to get a little bit of smoky effect. Next, I'm curling my lashes and putting on mascara, and the mascara I'm using is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Now, taking this Body Shop bronzer, I'm going to bronze my face. And then I'm going to contour my face with this Elegirl Pro Contour Powder. Next, I'm taking this blush and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. And then taking this beautiful red lip liner, I'm going to line my lips and also fill my lips with this. Next, I'm going to apply this Lakme Enrich Lip Crayon on top of my lips. Next, I'm going to highlight my face with this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. Because the red lip shade was a little bit too bright, I added this berry lip shade, and then the shade was just perfect. I also added a bindi and put on false eyelashes. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then please click on the like button, share it and comment on this video. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.